Hello, Brad Mendel, Mendel Money Management. Hope you are enjoying the summer. I know it's almost over. Kids are going back to school soon, and so we wanted to give you some information about 529 plans. They may be a good vehicle for you to help your kids and or your grandchildren fund their college education. The state of Illinois has a pretty good plan. You also get a tax deduction for up to $10,000 per person or $20,000 for a married couple, which could save you about $1,000 in taxes should you take advantage of this year. We are here to help you. If you need help setting them up and getting them invested appropriately, please give us a call. We're happy to help walk you through that setup. And the costs have come down, and they are much more attractive than they used to be from an investment option perspective. Additionally, get a market update from Barry in a few minutes. And then we just wanted to provide you one last reminder in terms of tax returns. Please upload your tax returns should you want any help with tax planning this fall. And it's also helpful for us to give you advice on deductions, as well as make sure your investments are aligned from an asset location and an asset type. We may use municipal bonds if you're in a higher tax bracket, for example. So hope all is well. Hope you're enjoying the summer, and look forward to seeing you guys soon.
Hello, hope everybody's having a great summer. I thought it was time to give everyone a mid-year update to tell you what has transpired so far this year and what we would expect for the second half of 2024. As you probably are aware, the stock market's done very well here in the first half of 2024, but it's been a very narrow market, meaning very few stocks have done real well. It's been mostly the technology stocks. But in recent weeks, while the market's been making new highs almost on a daily basis, the market has broadened out. Other stocks are starting to catch up and starting to do better. The economy is definitely slowing down. There's been a lot of signs that say that. And what's good about that is that means the Federal Reserve is getting closer and closer to where they're going to cut interest rates. And lower interest rates are good for the economy and good for the consumer, which is also going to be good for business. Now, notwithstanding that, profit growth in the second quarter, which is being reported now, should be up around 9%, which is the best profit growth increase in over 2 years. One thing to be concerned about is the political situation in the United States. Investors are concerned about that, and it might create some volatility here in the second half of the year. But one's got to keep in mind that no matter whether it's a Democrat or a Republican in the White House, it really hasn't affected the market one way or the other. What's important to the economy is the Federal Reserve, and they're doing a good job. So it's important to keep a long-term perspective, and it's important to have a diversified portfolio, and that's what we try to do to limit client risk. If anybody has any questions or has any issues, navigating through what could be a more volatile second half, please give us a call. We're very happy to hear from you and talk you through it. Thank you for listening.